doll collectors and gift givers, here is a My Froggy Stuff buyer's guide, where we take a look at what's on the shelves so you can decide if it's a buy or a pass. Today we are taking a look at Barbie Loves the Ocean, dolls, and playsets. We bought all of these on Amazon. The dolls were $9.99 each. The volleyball playset was $9.99. So was the lounge chair playset. And the beach shack was $19.99. So right off the bat, we see the price point is pretty consistent with many Barbie products. I would say these are comparable to the Fashionistas. This is kind of on the same level as the barbecue playset. And this one is a larger playset with more accessories. The reason we are super excited for this line is because of this right there. It's a doll line made from recycled ocean-bound plastics. Say what? There is more information printed on the box. So not only is it made from recycled ocean-bound plastic, but the fabric is also made from recycled plastic, and we can recycle the packaging. On the back of the box, we can scan here for more information on how Barbie loves the ocean and is working toward a better future. Oh wow, they've partnered with 4Ocean? There is some fine print at the bottom, so let's take a look. Plastic parts made from 90% plastic sourced within 50 kilometers of waterways in areas lacking formal waste collection systems. Doll head and shoes excluded. Each sold separately, subject to availability. This is pretty exciting to me, y'all. I love that they are using recycled plastic to make this line, and I am totally on board for this packaging. This kind of reminds me of how Sparkle Girls are packaged. Pretty much the lower half of the doll is in the package, and the top of the doll is exposed. Now, this does have pluses and minuses. Plus side, yay planet, go green, recycle. On the other side, we may end up with smudged makeup, rubbed noses, and attacked hair. So then you just gotta sit down and weigh which one is most important. To you, of course, no judging here. Personally, I wouldn't mind if the dolls were enclosed a little more. Like maybe there was a door that could open and we could see the doll and then we can close it to keep it safe inside, much like the new Disney Store packaging. But then that would add to the cost. So, it's a trade-off. It's a trade-off, folks. Let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, this doll comes with a pair of sunglasses. They are shaped like pink hearts. She wears a striped dress with ribbon straps. There is no opening in the back. She wears pink sandals. This is a curvy Barbie with flat feet. Her eye makeup looks pretty good. She has a soft pink lip color, painted teeth, wears her hair in 2 pigtails with a part going down the center. She has pink rubber bands. Her hair is brown with some golden highlights. Now, what about the articulation? We can move the head from side to side, up, down, not so much. The neck peg is pretty stationary, explaining the neck articulation. There is movement at the arm. We can go forward and back and up and down. It can rotate. There is movement at the hip. We can make small circles, go out to the side a little, forward and back. Pretty standard articulation at this price point. The next doll comes with white sunglasses, has the classic body type, wears a blue halter top with palm trees that velcros in the back, comes with a matching skirt with a blue elastic waistband, wears yellow flip-flops. I always have trouble keeping these on, so I tend to use them more as a prop rather than a fashion item, but that's just a personal choice. She has dark brown hair with brown highlights, wears lime green eyeshadow, and a deep reddish brown lip color. Our last doll also has the classic body type. She has green sunglasses, pearly blue eyeshadow, a pink lip color, wears a floral purple and white dress with a ruffle at the top. We do have a few stray stitches there. The dress has ribbon straps and is all one piece with no Velcro in the back. And she comes with a pair of white sandals. She has blonde hair where it's kind of light brown on the top with this almost platinum hair color underneath. Still loving the idea of dolls made out of recycled plastic. And I hope to see it carried over into other more articulated dolls like Made to Move. Oh look, there's little holes on the bottom of their feet. Now let's take a look at the volleyball net. The box feels like a paperboard on all four sides. On one side, there's a picture list of all items included. On the back, we can see all of the items at the top, the dolls in this collection, and other playsets. Let's open it up. And here is everything on the inside. Small accessories are located in a white bag. There is a small purple Malibu towel measuring 3 inches by about 5.5. We have the base for the volleyball net, the volleyball, a small purple stereo, yellow sunglasses, a blue visor, a little water bottle. Love that. A banana and a bottle of sunblock. In the cardboard box, we have a pink net, 2 poles, and an orange cooler that says Malibu on the front. The top is white with cup holders. We have orange ice inside. It has a blue handle so the dolls can pull it, and it is hollow underneath. The volleyball net looks pretty easy to assemble. Looks like that goes right there, that goes there. Repeat, then add the base. And you're done. Happy assembling! It's not a crazy high net, but they'll be able to get in a game or two. Loving the Malibu towel, wishing it was a little bigger. You can't blame me for wanting more. After all, this is the 50th anniversary of Malibu Barbie. Now let's take a look at the lounge chair. And remember, these are also made from recycled ocean-bound plastic. The fabric is made from recycled plastic and it has recyclable packaging. There are picture instructions on how to assemble the furniture items on the top. Here is the top of the umbrella, very, very colorful. Loving the little Malibu on the side. It is fabric on the top and it has a plastic frame underneath. There are little holes in the fabric for the frame to poke through and help hold it down. Then the pole goes in here and the other end goes into the base to make the umbrella. The chair comes in 4 pieces. First, let's attach these lower legs, then put the other legs under the seat. The armrest just snap on top. Then these two connect together to make a lounge chair where the dolls can relax. This playset comes with purple sunglasses, adding to that beach vibe. We have another Malibu beach towel, a little bottle of orange sunblock, a yellow drink that we can place in the little cup holder on the chair, a green cell phone, a little tiny bucket, shovel, and a little sand mold to make little tiny starfish. Yeah, it works. There, that one's perfect. I think this is a cute set. I am loving the umbrella. Once again, a larger towel would have been great. To be honest, I don't understand this newfound obsession with Barbie towels. Last but not least, here is the Beach Shack. Made from recycled ocean-bound plastic, uses FSC certified paper, recyclable packaging. And I'm just loving this little logo on the side. When we open it up, there are some instructions, and on the box it says, do not remove this paper strip and refer to step 1 of instruction flyer. Okay, so here is step 1. Looks like they want us to attach a few pieces first. So let's take it out of the box with the paper attached. get the orange counter, put it in place. This takes a little maneuvering. Once it's locked into place, we can remove this paper and reveal the front of the beach shack. These little hooks go up here. Add the top, add the recycle bin to the side. It's kind of cool. It has a little door there. We have a space on top to put items. Whatever we put inside, it just falls to the bottom and we can get it from the other side. Assemble the stools. Pink base, pink pole, blue seat. All right. We have 2 stackable baskets, a blender with a top, a tall pink drink, a coconut drink where we can remove the top, blue and pink drinks in little jars, a silver colored cash register, a ukulele, a lantern to hang on the side. There's a pineapple drink with a removable top, 2 ice cream cones, a popsicle, an orange bottle, bananas, and a paperboard menu so the dolls can decide what to order. If you get all 3 play sets, you do end up with a few repeat items like sunblock and bananas. But I am totally fine with that, and I would love to see more fruit added to playsets. But that's just me. Some details that we are used to seeing are not included, like graphics on the phone and cash register, but that just gives us an opportunity to print out and make our own. On recycled paper, of course. Speaking of recycling, they did say we could recycle the packaging. And I've been eyeing the side of the box because I just love this graphic, which gave me an idea. On our most recent YouTube Live, we made surfboards using recycled materials by stacking, gluing, and painting layers of paperboard. The box is made of paperboard. Do you see where I'm going with this? Carefully deconstruct the box, make a surfboard pattern, trace it several times on the box, cut them out, stack and glue several together, sand the edges smooth to make a Barbie Loves the Ocean surfboard. And I used a solid green color from the box on the back, making this the perfect addition to our collection. I love the idea that they are using recycled plastic to make dolls, playsets, and accessories. And I hope to see this spread across other Barbie lines. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie Loves the Ocean dolls and playsets. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.